You said something to Tara that stuck with me, and that is this is just not simply a litigator's tool. You've said it has a place on the corporate side too.
Yeah. I mean, anytime you're talking to a group of people,
Mm.
why not use like TrialPad? It doesn't have to be a trial. So if you're in our boardroom and we've got a big screen in there, so you throw up, here's a proposed change to the contract, and here's this. And in the negotiation, when you're talking, whether it's the opposing side or whether it's your client, it's like, okay, here's where we are, and here's where we think we ought to go, and this is the difference. And everybody can look and see at the same time, and then you just take your laser pointer or whatever, and you show them the difference. It can be very instructive. Or walking through a client with an estate plan, because we all know those can be fairly complicated. So if on the one side, say you have a map, like a flow chart with all the trust, the documents and how it all works, and then on the right, you have the actual trust, the documents, you're able to see, as you walk through these documents, you can see still at the same time, look, there's the map. So this is where we are. It's kind of your guide. And so it just makes it a little easier. eh, so it doesn't have to be just litigation. It's just anytime you're presenting information to people, it's a viable tool for that.